can imagine the image of the card spade as the combination of inverted heart and spade handle. Okay, I just like to point out before I continue that I'm using the T instead of the turtle. That's command number 2 because the word turtle is quite long, so I'm just using the letter T for all the commands involving the T. Let me start with number 5. I specify here the club size. The size of the club, it is the distance from this point to this point here. It is also the distance from this point here to this point here. You can change the club size. So when you are experimenting on your own, you can make this 110 or 150 or 140. And then the image will adjust accordingly. Now I'm starting at 0, 0. The 0, 0 is right here. Now I want to go to 0, 60 without generating any line. So I make sure that my pen is up. That is command number 6. Now the 0, 60 is right here. And then from 0, 60, I go forward a distance of club size multiplied by this quantity here. In computer language, this is actually radical 2. So radical 2 times club size, that is the distance. I will let the turtle go forward. Incidentally, at this point here, the direction of the turtle is like this one here. So I go straight until I reach this point here. And starting with this point here, I will turn my turtle 135 degrees to the left because I want to draw the first straight line on the upper right corner. At this point, the direction of the turtle is like this, but I want to make the direction of turtle like this one here, and this is 135 degrees. This is command number 9. And then I put my pen down to prepare drawing the first line that is located on the upper right corner. Now I want the A's to be black. That is the standard color of the spade anyway. To start drawing the line on the upper right corner here, I have this fill color procedure from number 11 up to number 29. I have the begin fill step here, number 22, and then I go forward club size times 2. Remember that the direction of the turtle is like this. So I go ahead, I draw that line there. The length of this line is 2 times club size. And then at this point here, the direction of the turtle is like this. But I want to draw the second straight line, which is directed like this. So I have to turn the turtle 90 degrees. And that is in command number 14. Okay, let me draw that straight line. I go like this. I go like this until I reach this point here, wherein I have to start with the arc of the semicircle. Incidentally, the length of the straight line is number 15. That is 2 times club size again. The same as the length of the first straight line. Now we go to the arc. The radius of the arc is club size, which is 125 in this case, and Yes, for the semicircle, it is 180 degrees. So we generate the arc corresponding to the semicircle. We go around the bend like this. Okay, until we reach this point here. At this point here, the direction of the turtle is like this. I'm retracing that, but I don't want the direction. I want the direction to be like this. So I will make the turtle go or rotate to the right 90 degrees, and that is command number 17. And then I will draw the second arc. So I will go like this. Okay, go around the bend again. Continue until we reach this point here. This point here. At which location I need to raise my pen up because I'm preparing to draw the handle of the spade. In that case, the direction of the turtle is like this, like this. Okay, where do I put the, okay, like this. This is the direction of the turtle, but I want the turtle to be directed like this, and this is another 90 degrees. Okay, and that is command number 20. And then I go forward 2 times club size. Note that my pen is up, so I'm not generating any line that is visible. I am retracing the path, which is a distance of 2 times club size. I'm now at this point here. I'm checking on that. Don't want you to be confused. And then to prepare drawing the handle, I need to um, turn the turtle 45 degrees. How is that? At this point, the direction of the turtle is like this. I hope you can see my drawing, but I want to turn the turtle of 45 degrees to the left. What does that mean? It has to be like this. Oh, okay. And this is 45 degrees. Oh my. I hope you can understand my drawing there. So the direction of the turtle now is like this, from this point here. And we are ready to draw the handle. So we put the pen down now and then draw the first arc. This is the first arc, this one. Okay, we go down here. And this is number 24, command number 24. And then at this point, the direction of the turtle is like this, but I don't want that. I want it to be directed like that. And this is 135 degrees. I need to be careful here. Okay, and that is command number 25. And then at this point, I go a distance club size multiplied by 3 over 4 or 0.75. And then at this point here, the direction of turtle is like this, but I don't want that. I want the direction of turtle to be towards the upper right corner, and that's gonna be 135 degrees. That is command number 27. And then I draw the second arc. This is the second arc. I'm tracing now. This is the second arc. And then the moment the second arc reaches this point here, everything is done. And the end-fill procedure is telling us that every enclosed space here will become black. So that is how we draw the image of the ace of the spades. And here is how it's generated by Python.